What's up, my friend? 3 things that will help you go forth in your life and become a better leader overall for yourself, but also for those around you. See, these are 3 things that you can have and use and implement into your life that last forever. The results, the benefits of you being this way, taking on what I'm going to tell you today, goes forever. Not just a quick fix, not just, oh, if I move this utensil 3 centimeters to the left, then I'm much more of a leader. The table sees me as a leader. Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that. Seriously, true results. This is how you become a better man overall for the long run and have it just be a part of you. Pay attention, my friend. Sit down, open your ears, stay till the end of this video, stick with me and learn something that you can take upon yourself and go forth and conquer, my friend, like a true man. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey. You know it, man. This is the way. This is the true nature of a man to become this way. I would actually argue to become this way again. Because look, man, the beliefs, the opinions of probably other people that are just dragging us down, and we go through life without releasing them and becoming the person we know we are at the core. So these 3 things, man, I'm going to give you how they are useful, why you need them in your life. Number 1, my friend, you need to start doing this every day, no matter what. Wake up in the morning and be your own leader. Look at yourself in the mirror. Say you love yourself. If you are into affirmations, I'm all about it, man, because I know that repeating things that are positive, that are uplifting in nature, even just for a split second, you will see the benefits. Changing your overall idea of yourself, becoming the best, absolute best leader that you can be for yourself. That's number 1. That right there will take you miles. Just that little fix. Number 2, man, I have seen this so much. I have literally had to pull my friends aside and have a discussion, man, because I've seen them do this. And that is treat other people like they're below you. Okay? Even almost to the point of bullying them to give yourself value or make yourself feel better, to push you up that hill a little bit more at the overall expense of somebody else that you probably don't even know. I see this with guys at the grocery store, at gas stations, in line for somewhere, the way they ridicule the cashier or say the person bagging their groceries, pumping their gas, the barista. Don't ever, ever, ever look down on another person. Ever. That is just that's not in you, man. If you're doing that and you find that you have these thoughts about that, that is an internal issue that you have about your own worth. And I would begin there, my friend, of start building yourself up. Looking yourself in the mirror every morning and just giving yourself that, yeah, man, we got this. Just that little pep talk right there, just a little bit. That goes a long way. That goes a long way, my friend. But number 2, you must acknowledge others in a positive, uplifting manner. And I'm going to put a little bonus on this one, because as an example, if you are getting coffee and the other person is not feeling too well, you can sense it off them. I'm not saying be like, oh, what's wrong? Can I help you? No. Their life has nothing to do with your life. It's up to you to not take on that negative energy. Say thank you. Genuinely ask how their day is going. If they go off on a tangent about some negative bullshit, that's their problem, man. That's nothing to do with you. You're about to leave anyway. It's up to you to generally have some sort of empathy. When you ask, how's your day going, man? How's the coffee today? You generally want to know. It doesn't roll off your tongue with the falsities. You know, it's natural. It flows. Are you feeling good today? How's your day going? Easy. And number 3, man, I want you to do this religiously every day. Every day. If you don't get around people and you have like a dog, do it to your dog, do it to your cat. Bring them up. Consistently bring people up. Make them feel like they're part of the cause. What cause? Nobody knows what cause it is. Who cares, man? It doesn't matter about that. Just make them feel like they're worth something. Just simply by, you can do like I said, number 2, ask a question, be genuinely interested in their life. Sure. Okay. I've worked jobs before where I was the manager. I was the head honcho. The best results you can get from your crew is letting them know that they matter. When you are in the situation where you are put in a leadership role, it's much different than just being the leader of your own existence. That type of energy, that's magnetic. Magnetic as shit, man, and people will flock to it. Recap, number 1, be true to you. Lead yourself first. Become the leader of your own life and your own energy. Number 2, acknowledge other people. Genuinely acknowledge other people. Have empathy and actual care for the other people as human beings, no matter where they are, no matter who they are, their title, none of that matters. None of that matters. Just simply as human beings. And number 3, my friend, be a good leader by acknowledging that other people are part of the team, man. That they matter. Just put that into play with anybody you come into contact with. Doesn't matter who it is. I'm not saying go above and beyond and out of your way to uplift somebody. Sometimes that's called for. Sometimes that can be very nice. Especially if you see your opportunity. Hell yeah, go for it, man. But in general, just spread the love. That's really what it's all about, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.